Guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my May, is it May? Yes. Today's going to be my May Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, which I'm sure you're not, if you're subscribed to my channel for a while, you know I post these videos every month. But if you are not familiar, it is a monthly subscription box that contains 5 full-size products and you're paying $21 a month for it, which is amazing. So if you guys want to see what I got this month, then let's just jump right in. Alright, so this is what the box looks like this month. Comes with the card that it always comes with all of the products and the prices on here. So the first thing that is standing out to me is this, and I'm guessing this is a lip product. So this is by the brand Beauty Creations, and I'm guessing that it's in collaboration with Boxycharm because it has the little Boxycharm symbol up here. And this retails for $10, which is not a bad price at all. And this is a a matte lip gloss, which I'm kind of confused because is it a lip gloss? Is it a liquid lipstick? Because I don't think it can be both. So this is the color that I got. It's really pretty. It's in the color Kiss Me, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, it has a really, really nice formula. That's a really pretty color. Love, love, love that color. And I'll have to let it dry and see if it just dries down because the name of it is kind of confusing to me because it's a matte lip gloss. I feel like it's really impossible to be matte and glossy at the same time because it's either matte or glossy. I don't know. So we'll have to see, but it only retails for $10, which is a really good price for a liquid lipstick if it does work out. The real test is obviously wearing it on my lips, so because they can kind of get dried and cracky and crumbly throughout the day on your lips, so I'll have to test this on my lips and let you guys know. Alright, up next we have some brushes here. These are by the brand Aesthetica, the 3-piece eye trio, and then the P12 face brush. This face brush retails for $27 and the 3-piece eye trio retails for $45, so not bad for 3 brushes. Alright, so these 3 brushes that they come with, one is a kind of spoolie, which I really love having these. This one is a eyeliner brush, which seems not really my style. This doesn't really seem like a brush I would use because it is kind of like a really skinny, flimsy eyeliner pencil, but this could work really well. You never know. And then this one, which I probably won't use for any liner, is a kind of like angled brush, but it's more on the thicker side. So this is probably good for like smudging out eyeliner or something like that, or even like carving out my brows. I'll probably use that for this. And then this brush is really soft actually, and I like it because it has kind of like a tapered point to it. I don't really have any brushes like this, and the packaging of this is really cute. I feel like this would work nicely for bronzer or maybe even blush. We'll have to see, but it's always nice to get brushes in these boxes. You can never have too many brushes, so I'll be adding those to my collection. Alright, so moving on, we have this, and this is by the brand CoverFX. I love CoverFX. I think they have amazing products. This is their blurring primer. It says it's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. So this is supposed to like blur your pores, and it does have kind of like a tint to it. I did actually try this the other day, and I did like it. It kind of has like a tint to it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but it reminds me a lot of Benefit Professional, like the consistency, how it has that little like tint to it, and it does feel like really silicone-y. So I'll have to try this more to let you guys know what I think. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this and if you like it. It does retail for $38, which is a nice product to get in this box again because you're only paying $21 a month for it. So it's a win-win in my opinion. So that's that. And then next up we have this cute little pot of gel liner. This is by the brand Pretty Vulgar, and this is their ink gel eyeliner. It retails for $24, and it says this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. So I'm really excited to try this. I think the concept is so cute, how it's supposed to be like a little ink pot, and it has like this really cute feather on it. So it feels really, really creamy. Oh my god, this seems like it's going to be a great eyeliner. It looks matte, so that's a good start. I hate when eyeliners are not matte and they look shiny, so I think the packaging on this is just really cute. So this would be really cute to like leave out on the vanity or whatever, but I'm excited to try this, and I am going to try this brush with it. So I will let you guys know. And then I thought that was everything, but down below here we have a little palette here. And this is by Pur Cosmetics. We've gotten Pur palettes in the past. Pur tends to be in the Boxycharms a lot. And this is their Pur Sculpture palette, a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave your skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. So this is what it looks like here. So we got 2 highlighters here, which actually feel and look really pigmented. So I'm really excited actually, because those are so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then these seem super dark, but we'll have to see like once I actually apply it to my face here. So those are them swatched, which seems super dark for contour shades, but if you just dip your brush in slightly, tap off the excess and blend it out, I'm sure it'll be fine. So they seem pretty buttery and nice, so I'm excited to try this. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this yet, if you had your Boxycharm come in and you guys have already tried these products. I know I'm kind of late on filming this video, but let me know what you guys thought about this. It retails for $30, so that's not bad for getting 4 products here. I'm really excited about this highlighter up here. It seems like it's going to be really pretty. And I actually like the concept because this can be used for light or dark skin tones, because there is a golder highlight in here that would work for darker skin tones, and there is a darker contour shade. So I think this is kind of a good versatile palette in case you are light or you are dark. This would actually be good to throw in my kit to do makeup in, because it is very versatile, so that's awesome. These videos always go by super fast, but I mean there are only 5 products to talk about, so, and it also is very hot in this room. I was just laying out in the sun for like 2 hours, so I'm like sweating and I already see I got a little burn going on here. As always, I will leave the link down below if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm. I highly recommend. That completes this video, you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!